Hi, I'm Billy Jowers, Field Operations Supervisor, Walter P. Rawl, Pillion, South Carolina. In the field operations maintenance, we do a variety of jobs. It could be electrical installs to the irrigation systems, like here. We can clear land. We do the maintenance of the machines, whether it be a pump on a pond. It could be a well in the ground, building pond dams, calibrating the chlorination systems for the pumps, make sure all that's working right for a safer product. You name it, we do it.
My name is Benny Hutto. I work in field ops, so level 2 mechanic. I do maintenance on the pivots, wells, pumps, whatever has to be taken care of, we take care of. I try to do electrical upgrades on all our older pivots by putting in, make sure we got disconnects in, safety switches are working properly, whatever it takes to keep everything going like it's supposed to be. And safety is just a big part of our job out here, just as it is in anywhere else. We always do a lockout tag out on our equipment. We may be the oldest person in the field, but you still want to make sure you do a lockout tag out in the event you have to leave it and come back. And that's something that we stress. Billy Joward stresses it, I stress it, everybody stresses it, that we do our lockout tag out and safety at all times, no matter what we're doing.
The work that my department handles has a great impact on the company itself and the customers that the project goes to. Some of the things that I love about what I do at WP Rawl is I am very big on efficiency of electricity and water usage, which leads me to like the pivots and irrigation, which is right down my alley. It's very good for the environment, the community, the company, the utility companies. It just helps everybody out. One example is we have the irrigation system. It has to be calibrated so that we do not overwater. We don't want to underwater. As you can see, kind of with the pivot here, is it's just not spraying water. It's not spraying water just everywhere. The water is going more directly to the product. It's not going down the road. It's not going in a ditch. We're trying to contain that water straight to the product so it does not affect the neighbors. We have great neighbors at all of our farms. We like to keep it that way. You can adjust speed. It has safeties. You can adjust the time that it runs. It's a lot of good technology, GPS driven. You can tell it to stop where you want. It's really good for the workers that come out and irrigate the fields, which I do not. I just keep it running. And if everything is like it's supposed to be, it is just a fact of pushing a button. And eventually I will be able to see this from my phone and tell you what every field is doing.
I'm just an outside kind of guy, and I like doing mechanical stuff with my hands. I work with my hands, and that's just what I like. And anything comes up, whether it be clearing land or whatever, I enjoy it because I'm outside. What we're doing out here, and we try to do everything, whatever project we're working on, try to do the most efficient upgrade we can on it. Of course, cost affects a lot of stuff, but by doing it efficiently, it's going to save a little money down the road. We can make it more efficient here. It's saving on the ecosystem, everything else. We have not having to use more fertilizer, less water. It's all great. Ain't got no green thumb, but it's just amazing to get to see all this grow and do as good as it does by what we're doing it with. I help Billy. We put pipes in. We do it all. That's our job, and that's what we like to do.
What we have is our wastewater facility. What this is the wastewater from the product, from the product lines inside of the plant. So what we do is we filter the water, we aerate the water, and reuse the water. as much as we can. So what we'll do through automation is we'll send this water out to wastewater pivots. We have about 40 acres of hay under our pivots, which we will grow, cut, and then send that hay to the compost, which will go back into the organic fields. So this water, it's just getting used as many times as we can use it, and which is a lot. It's pretty amazing. So when the plant is sending water to us, we're doing our thing and getting the water out. Again, we're not flooding the neighbors. We don't have a smell going through the atmosphere to the town and everything else. We're handling what we have and doing a very good job with that. Very efficient, just it's a good deal, very good deal.
July the 14th will be 17 years. When I started in plant maintenance. And I worked plant maintenance for 14 and a half. And then I transferred out to field ops and went to work with Billy. And it's been great. I've had good relationships with everybody at the plant. Everybody knows me. Well, before I came to work at Walter P. Rawl, I did construction work for 25 years. And my wife kept telling me, honey, you need to find something closer home. And this door opened up and I stepped in and I hadn't left yet. You know, it's been a good relationship for me and the company, I think. And I've enjoyed working with Walter P. Rawl. Professionally, I mean, I did electrical work in construction, so I get to do a lot of electrical work for Walter P. Rawl now on all the pits and wells and pumps and everything else. You know, it's all using what I know how to do to take care of what needs to be taken care of. And when you finish at the end of the day and everything works right, it's a good feeling.
Working in the position that I am has built just so many skills of just being able to go out and just meet people, develop friends, just start meeting their families, and just building a trust base with just a group of people. It's amazing. And it just spreads so wide. It's just not in one place. I get along with so many people at our company, at WP Rawl, departments. Everybody knows me. It's a lot, and it means a lot to me. Professionally, it's been great also. Working at WP Rawl, you have a chance to climb the corporate ladder in a way. You may come in at one job, you may work yourself up to another job, and that's great. That's it. I love having that mindset that says, you know what, if I can achieve this, I got it. So it's been amazing to watch this company grow, the people grow. I've seen the community grow through WP Rawl. As they just keep spreading and spreading and spreading, and I've been a part of it or have seen it myself, it has just been amazing. And I love it.